Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your weekly love tarot reading, guys. So, for this week, Scorpios, let's see what is coming up. So, we'll be picking cards for your general energies, for your career situation, and relationship, guys. So, I'll be picking few cards, guys, and as we proceed, we will be turning the cards. So, first, for your general energies, guys, these are the cards for this week. For your relationship, I'll be picking 3 more cards, and for your career situation, 3 more cards. So that will be relating to your career situation and relationship, guys. So these cards are for your career situation, guys, for this week, the last week of January, guys. So let's see what are the cards, guys. First, let's start with these cards for your general energies. So Sun, Strength in reverse, and 8 of Swords in reverse. Scorpios. So in your situation today, Scorpios, maybe certain things are taking you by surprise. Something unexpected is coming your way. Maybe someone very close to you, maybe your friend or a family member, or someone, maybe your person, or someone, it may be your friend. They are leaving you all of a sudden, guys. So things are really stressful for you, worried. Maybe you may be worried because of these unforeseen sudden changes in your situation today, guys. Scorpios, maybe this week. So some stressful situations are there for you, guys. And I also see that this person you love, they may be going away because of some illness, sickness. So they are away for treatment, or something is bothering them. Maybe they have their own problems or something to resolve. So they are leaving you all of a sudden, guys. So that may again stress you a lot. But I also see that whatever troubles that you're facing, guys, over this week, slowly that negative situation, it is going to change. So bit by bit your troubles are going to end. And I see this is a very positive card here, guys, the Sun. So with this card, I feel that you're going to overcome all those stressful situations, troubles, or any trials that you face over this week. So by the end of the week, your troubles are going to dissolve, and you will feel confident, and you will have that enthusiasm, cheerfulness in your heart to face your situation. So you have that strength and endurance what you need, and the understanding of your situation. So the reason for their departure may be why this person left you. Maybe if it was your person who has left you all of a sudden, you will get to know the reasons behind their departure, their sudden travel or something, or the reason for their disappearance, maybe the illness, whatever it is. And you have that clarity in your heart, clarity in your vision. What is that most needed thing for you, guys? And also, if it was some illness this person had, and that may be the reason for them moving away from you, they are going to become all right, guys, and they are going to get back in good health. That is also I see. So things are going to clear up. All those negative things are just going to clear up for you guys. That is what I see with these cards, guys, the general energies. So let's see what are these cards for your relationship, guys. What will happen over the week in your relationship? Ace of Swords, King of Pentacles, and Knight of Cups. So with these cards, I see that in this love, you are really daring, passionate. You are ready to take any risk for love. This may be your energy or this may be this person's energy. So you are a very skilled, talented person, Scorpios, and you have that charismatic personality. So mostly people are attracted to you by your looks or by the way you speak, the way you behave. So you have a very charming personality and you have a magnetic personality. You attract people and you know what you need to do in this love, in this relationship, how to attract this person, how to be in this connection. And by the way you are what to say, the right person to be in connection with. So you have that whatever you do, you are really successful, guys, Scorpios. So even in this love, you have that charming personality of yours attracting this person towards you. So this person is very much attracted to you. This may be your energy or their energy, guys, and you are honest, faithful, and this may be their energy towards you also. They may be reciprocating this honesty, loyalty and truthfulness, and your intuition is also guiding you. So when you are with this person, you may feel a particular way with them, something telling you what you need to do, and it may be showing you the truth about this person. So you know what lies in their heart. So they may not tell it out in words, but still your intuition is really sharp. It is helping you to understand what is there in their heart of hearts. So maybe in certain situations you may feel that something may not go according to your expectations, some kind of stress or something worrying you, but still in your heart of heart your intuition will guide you the right way. So if that person has that true love for you, your intuition will point out that true love to you, so you will have that understanding. But if it is otherwise, if it is not true love, if it is something else, again you will be knowing the truth, guys. So whatever they feel in their heart of hearts, you know it with clarity. So that is what I see for your relationship, guys. So over this week you may have that understanding with this person. You are working, they are greatly attracted to you. You may have some intimate time with them, spending some intimate time with them. You are working towards that understanding. You have love for each other, mutual respect is there for each other. But on certain things you are learning the truth. You have that deep knowledge, or you are getting that deep knowledge about this person, guys. That is what I see for your relationship, guys. So let's see what are the cards for your career situation. It's Page of Cups in reverse, Six of Cups, and King of Swords in reverse, guys. And in your career situation, Scorpios, I see that there are people, maybe your colleagues or teammates, your employees, someone has um, jealousy towards you, and they want to work against you. So they are trying to deceive you in some ways, and they may pose as your friend and your well wisher, but in truth they are not that, guys. So you have to be really careful, guys, Scorpios. So this person is trying to create lots of obstacles for you in your career situation, and they are not having that true concern and uh, love on you. So they are trying to make use of you in some ways. They have evil intentions towards you, jealousy and envy, greedy. They are greedy. They are trying to use your skills and talents for their benefit. So you need to be really careful. And you would have had some experience with such people in the past. Maybe in your past you would have had people, you would have been in a similar situation. So today you are uh, thinking of those times and trying to find a better solution. So how to handle this present day situation today, guys. So, and I also see that you may also have people who are um, having that true love for you. They may come towards you with guidance and help in some ways. So you may be sharing your past experiences with them. So maybe some traumatic situation you would have faced in your career, people really opposing you or working against you. So you are sharing your past experiences, maybe some traumatic situation, maybe similar situation was there, and how you dealt with it. So you are using that learning today, guys. And so overall in your career situation for this week, I see that apart from people who are jealous of you, working against you, I think they are jealous because you are going to be extremely successful, guys. Things are going well for you. So whatever projects or whatever work you are doing, you are going to have that advantage. Things are going to work in a beneficial way for you. So things are going well for you. That may be the reason that people are against you. They are quite jealous. They envy you. They envy how things are in your circumstance for you. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards, Scorpios, for your career situation. So let me pick your guidance card, guys, the Wisdom Oracle Guidance. So this is the card, guys, the Wisdom Oracle Guidance. So this is a general guidance what we can follow every day. So it will make things go in a better way for us, guys, in our situation, in our career and personal life. So let's see what is the card. Time for a nap. So with this card, the guidance for us, guys, Scorpios, in our situation is that we must take rest, time for rest, just to help us to rejuvenate, to renew. So allow that dreams to rise in our situation. So right now, maybe this week, you have to let go of all that worries that you have in your situation. Allow yourself to be free, be free of your to-do list, be free of your goals, be free of your desires, and take rest, detach from your situation, and give rest to that busy mind of yours. Take step back and uh, just allow your thoughts to flow towards you, flow out of you. Let those dreams come forward in your mind, so that way you will know what you need to do today, guys, Scorpios. So in your career situation also, if you are really busy, having a busy schedule, you have to give yourself that opportunity to step back. So your goals can wait. You can just dream about your future, let go of that attachments you have, and on that outcome or that future of those choices. So, whatever it is, you just have to step back, relax, maybe take time to meditate, take a holiday. So, things will speed up very soon. So, this is the time for you to have that patience in your heart and wait for the right time, guys. This is the time for healing and rejuvenating. So, the same way in your relationship, if you are if you do not have any plans, if you are in separation, if you are single, this is time to take rest, think, dream about the right person. Or if you are involved with someone, just relax with them, have time with them, spend time with them, allow things to flow naturally in this love. So, beautiful renewal will take place all by itself, guys. So, you have to give rest so that love and this connection will rejuvenate, will renew all of itself. So, that is the oracle guidance with this card for your career situation and your relationship for this week, Scorpios. And that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you next week with the weekly reading. Bye, Scorpios.